You came to me, bare feet on the altar stone, dress torn at the seams, hands shaking sharp as broken bone. You said, take my blood, take my name, my soul, my skin, just let him breathe. I'll pay anything. Our fingers cut, red thread tying night to dawn. You didn't see the moment his last breath was gone. Bloodbound bloom on your fragile wrist. Swore I'd damn the stars for this. Gave you shadows, gave you teeth. You wore grief like a crown of thorns for me. Now I'm burning just to hold you close, while you're drifting where I used to go. If I lose you to the dark I live, what kind of devil am I then? You learned the words that twist the marrow, bend the light. You pulled at graves till the soil itself took fright. You screamed his name till it lost all shape and sound. Every spell you cast pulled you further underground. Your eyes turned glass, black glass, catching every flame. Every wound you carved spelled someone else's name. Bloodbound bloom on your fragile wrist. Swore I'd damn the stars for this. Gave you shadows, gave you teeth. You wore grief like a crown of thorns for me. Now I'm burning just to hold you close, while you're drifting to go. If I lose you to the dark I live, what kind of devil am I then? I feel it fade, my hunger, my old hunger. Your laughter used to shake, now it only sounds like thunder. You're growing horns, I'm growing hot, trading places in the dark. You say love is just a curse in silk, but your hands still shake when I say your name, soft as milk. Same first cut, that wish, under ashes, under teeth. There's a girl who begged the night through me. Now I'm pleading, let me hold you close. Walk back with me from the undertow. If I choose you over every sin,